Welcome to Vantage Technology webinar. Today we have a very interesting topic, MuleSoft Composer, enable user to connect app and data with click not code. In this session, we will go through the core principle of MuleSoft Composer and how we can configure this MuleSoft Composer and what are the different use cases for the MuleSoft Composer. So before starting this session, let me introduce myself. My name is Rajnish Kumar. I am the CTO of Vantage Technology. I am the MuleSoft Ambassador as well as AI Advocate and Influencer Award winner. So let's jump on this today's session, MuleSoft Composer. So what is a MuleSoft Composer? MuleSoft Composer is a no-code integration tool that allows non-developer like business analysts, admin, and functional consultant to connect app and automate workflow without writing any code. It designed specifically for business user to build automation quickly and easily right within the platform like Salesforce using a visual interface. So this is basically is a low-code kind of platform where you can easily develop the flow with the button click. That's MuleSoft Composer is. So MuleSoft Composer is quick, easy, and powerful automation and integration. Access app and data instantly. Automate integration of app and data across system with templates and connector for common apps. Here the couple of a connector is listed over here which you can use it and enable some of the integration with the button click is. So with the MuleSoft Composer you can connect as an authenticated user automatically to external system, extract data from different system based on the specific event or schedule. You can also synchronize data across different systems using iteration or condition. Basically, it enable you to use it for each loop or if condition, so that it will be more meaningful for your use case. And not last but not least is integrated with Anypoint Platform to enable sharing and reusing of automation asset through the exchange. So since it is a part of the MuleSoft ecosystem, it is a part of the Anypoint Platform, you can reuse some of the asset from MuleSoft Exchange or Anypoint Exchange, and then you can use it within a MuleSoft Composer. So that is what you can use it for the Anypoint Platform. So Composer is part of the automation bundle in Salesforce. If you notice, is on top layer, orchestration multi-user long-running process across the people and system. It is enabled through the invocable action. Builder is low-code user interaction and trigger automation. That is also part of the automation bundle. Composer is also part which allow to low-code connection and API integration. RPA, which I already went through my previous webinar. It is a low-code task automation with bot. You can create the automation through the bot. IDP, intelligent document processing. This is basically based on your document. It create the enable some of it extract the data from your document and create the flow for you, so you can reuse within your system, within your use case. This is based on the Agentforce or AI. Any platform is also part of this automation bundle. It is a pro code connector API integration. So benefit of MuleSoft Composer, basically move fast without depending on IT. Here are the couple of benefit. Faster time to integration. It is easily integrate with any system. This is a button click and then it is enable any integration within a few button click and it is up and running without waiting for the IT team to deploy their deployment cycle. Same thing, empower the business team. Since it is a part of the MuleSoft Composer, part of the business team or business analysts, whenever they need, they can create this integration anytime and they can enable their use case for their business. That's empowering the business team through the MuleSoft Composer. Free up some of the IT resources. Obvious, if you're creating some of your connector through the business people or those low code kind of thing, so it will free up some of your IT resources so that they can focus on high intensity code based workflow rather than the no code or low code workflow. improve the workflow flow efficiency. Obviously, like whenever business need some of their integration quickly, they can just use it the MuleSoft Composer and then enable those endpoint. And whenever they don't need, just they stop this integration and then release their resources. And last but not least is reduce error from manual process. Whenever business need, they are using a lot of manual process, they can create some of the integration through the button click and reduce their manual process by MuleSoft Composer and reduce those error. So these are the couple of benefit I listed out. These two connector over here, Salesforce connector and Slack connector, which you can configure and we can use it through the button click. So let's jump on the demo. We are going to I'm going to show how you can configure the MuleSoft Composer, how you can enable two endpoint integration, and what are the different use case I'm going to show. So let's jump on this demo. So as soon as you log in into the Anypoint platform, you can see this kind of a screen, and you have, if you have a automation package enabled, then right hand side you can see these options. In this automation package, you can see IDP, intelligent document processing, RPA, which I already explained how you can use it. And then at the end is you can see the composer. So start from here. You can access, go to the composer, or left hand side, the donut button, you can see composer over here. Either way you can access this composer demo. So you can access composer, MuleSoft Composer. So as soon as you click, it will open to the completely new window. You can see it will look like there's no flow over here, and then you can start your building your flow. One couple of thing I would like to mention over here, the couple of this button or this list is, so usage is summary. So how much you are using, how much credit you are using, that you can see from here. Just see in the what are the credit, how you can use it. If you have admin privilege, you can see that one. Similarly, connection, if you have created any previous connection, then you can use it over here. You just notice is I use my previous flow couple of connection over here. That's why it's showing over here is REST consumer, RPA, Salesforce, Slack. This connection is already available for me. And then setting email notification, you can enable this email notification, receive email notification when flow fail to run. This is the time you can get the notify, and then you can validate that one is you can add a couple of your user or your group email at the end. An account, so what kind of account it is, organization, you can see shared API, you can see from here. This is when you have an admin privilege, then you can see all this information. So let's jump on the flow, how you can create flow and what are the things you need to take care. So there is a couple of options here. As soon as you click the create new flow, one option is create flow from scratch, and another option is create flow from template is. So let's first explore is create flow from template. I would like to show you, and then I can start with the create flow from scratches. So these are the as soon as you click explore from our template, this is in build template which MuleSoft is providing, how you can communicate with a different system. Like if you notice is this is a Altesian Jira, you can connect to the Salesforce and then sending this information. Same thing is ServiceNow is connecting to Salesforce, and couple of option is available, create change request in Salesforce from the Altesian Jira issue. Same thing is for the ServiceNow, and you can see couple of packages available. You can directly use if you have a requirement, like a NetSuite is over here. You can use it directly uh, for your flow if it's you need. So left hand side you see like available connector for template. These are the template is available, NetSuite, Jira, ServiceNow. It is connecting, other connection is available over here. You can use these many connector for your application. Google Sheet, Tableau, Snowflake, Workday, all is listed over here. You can use within your flow. So here is a couple of things is available. These are the inbuilt, and you can directly use it in flow. So basically, use category is code to cache. There is, you notice is we are using some of the flow for the code to cache for the NetSuite. Case and incidence management. This is for the case and incidence management. This part is for the case and incidence management. That is a categorize. This whole flow is. So this is how this template look like. But let's jump on the how we can create from scratch this flow is. So suppose that create flow from scratch. As soon as you're creating this one, couple of option is available for you. How you are triggering this flow is first is system event, invoke, or scheduler is. Let's click first how does the scheduler look like. If you notice is in this scheduler, couple of option is available. 15 minute, 30 minute, 45 minute, 1 hour, 5 hour, 1 day, 7 day, 30 days. So if you notice is there is no cron job kind of thing is this is a inbuilt. You can use it from here. You cannot configure your cron job any other time is, and then it's showing is current and previous time is how it is look like. So for timing, let's delete this one. We are not going to use it this uh, event. We are going to use the system event. System event, as soon as you click the system event, couple of option is available for you. If you notice is uh, and then you can use this connector to trigger your event is. So currently I configure for the Salesforce. So let's click the Salesforce. So as soon as you click the Salesforce, I already configure the Salesforce connector over here. You can use it the new connection, and then you can add any of your option which is available for you. You can connection to the your Salesforce. You can configure from here. So let's click this one, and now as soon as you click this one, it is connecting to the my Salesforce instances within my org. Now I have option what I want to do with this Salesforce connector is. So let's select from either of those. Like there is a three option is available: new record, new or update record, or delete record. This event will trigger from this three option is. Let's just start with the new record. As soon as new record is coming, this event will trigger. And now I'm selecting, since I'm working on the case side, so I'm selecting the case object, and polling I just skipping the by default get all record. That's how I'm working. That's how it is look like. And now I look for the this what option is available: none, get all record, or any condition can be made, or all condition must be made. So I just click the all condition be made. Now it is giving me option is when it this event will trigger is I'm just adding my uh, option is what are the things is option available. Suppose that I'm working on the any of your case promotion. So let's go with the promotion field for within a case. And what is what are the different option you can go to is not empty. If it's a not empty, then it will trigger. So you have to be with this case has a promotion, then this event will trigger. I'm adding a more event, a more field is over here. Suppose that I'm working on the case type, and now equal to. So now I select this is a string, case type is exclusive service. Some of the your services you are enabling, and there is a promotion, then this trigger will happen. And I would like to add more, one more option is covered by service contract. So these three, if so this three condition will, if this three condition will satisfy, then this event will trigger. Everything looks good for my condition. Now I can save it. And now you I can add it, promotional rebate, and now apply it. So if you notice, as soon as I save as a promotional rebate, now name is coming over here. Before that, it was uncategorized name is coming. Now, if you notice, is I go to over here and go to flow. Is this flow is now listed over here? Initially, there was nothing. Is it was there? So now promotion rebate flow is available for me. Now I want to add what happen if this event will trigger. This is once event trigger, and you are not adding any action over here. So now I just configure this trigger event for the from the Salesforce. No action I added. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some action over here. Suppose that I want to add action, it need to be go to the Slack channel. So here I can, again, all connector option is available for me. Any of these action I can do it, but let's do it Slack. And now I'm connected to the my Slack channel over here, which I already configure. You can configure from here, display name boundaries, and then connect to the, and then you can configure your Slack connector from here. Just I'm going back, I'm selecting my existing connector, and what action I want to get it done through the Slack connector is here. I want to post message to channel. Now what is the channel name is, already it is configured for you. Let me show you what I configure. This is my channel, Slack channel, and I configure for as a support. This channel I configure for. So let's do it. Support channel, support. It is going to the support channel, and masses. Suppose that I'm just creating a, and now I'm going to, this is function you can add over here. This is advanced version, so you can add. I just add an operator, you can add math or something. I just adding this is support message for account, and now I'm adding a account ID over here. Now this message is for account, and then it's coming apply. Now as soon as you apply, you can see this option is available like that. And now I'm keeping this one. If there's no bot, you can add your bot. If it's there is a bot, if there is no bot, you can directly post this message into the support. And now if everything looks good, you can save it. So now what will happen is any event will trigger from the Salesforce side. I'm not putting any condition. You can add your condition like here. If you go to the here, if else block, you can add. For each, you can add error handler. You can add. Currently, I'm just keeping very simple this flow so that you can understand uh, how Composer is working, and then it is very click, only click and deploy kind of things is doing over here is. So as soon as you're happy, this is your very simple flow. As soon as event is creating, it is posting into the Slack channel. Now for that one, now I there's no error, nothing is coming. So just I click this one, I save and then test it. For testing, you can do it from here and wait for the this need to be ready. Just see is right now it is only showing waiting for the test to start is. So wait for that one. Once it will start. Now the C is now started. This now you can trigger your event from your Salesforce. Now come over your Salesforce instances. I'm just triggering event. Go to the developer console, and now I'm triggering event from here. So I just execute last. This event is triggered. Now you can see and go to the composer, and now you wait for that event need to be come over here. So as soon as it execute, you can see the green check over here. Now message is processed through this flow is. Now you can go and check your Slack channel whether this message is arrived or not. Let's go to the Slack channel and just see this message is arrived over here. So this is what it is look like in message in MuleSoft Composer is. So this is what flow. This is a demo.